Hello trader. All assets on the cryptocurrency market show high volatility within the day. This is a good way to make money on binary options. You just need to use the right analysis tools such as the Chande Kroll Stop indicator. To start trading on the vfxalert website, select the license that suits you, or free signals with limited functions available immediately after registration. Then download and install the program for your computer. You can trade on recommended brokers or add your in the program settings. Let's move on to strategy and signals. Chande Kroll Stop with period 14. It belongs to the group of trend indicators that show changes in volatility. The classical description considers the upper border to be the level of maximum profit on the transaction, the lower border to be the level of losses. In crypto trading options, the breakdown of the boundaries will be the first opening signal. The delay is less than the moving average. The trended price oscillator, DPO, with length 21. The main difference between this tool and most other oscillators is the ability to ignore the influence of long-term trends. Eliminating the directional effect greatly simplifies the process of analyzing short pullbacks and corrections in the crypto market. This helps to identify strong reversals in the development of long trends. After installing the tools, the terminal's working window looks like this. On the screen, trading signals and open options when the following conditions are met. Up call option. The price breaks both or only the upper border of the Chande Kroll Stop from bottom to top. The detrended oscillator is above zero levels. Down put option. Opposite crypto signals. The price moves down through the channel or below the lower border. Detrended below zero. The amount can also determine depending on the strength of the signal adaptive strategy vfxalert. Litecoin. The third rebound from the lower border, followed by a price movement through the entire channel. Probably the beginning of an uptrend. Detrended and vfxalert confirm the first call option. We will hold a quick trading session and leave the market after 3 to 4 profitable options and no losses. The indicators are not included in the basic set of binary trading platforms, but it can easily be found for free on the internet. We will use charts from TradingView and Olymp Trade Broker to open options. The price made a quick pullback, and then the option reversed for profit. It moves near the opening level in a narrow range. 30 seconds before expiration, the option is in profit. Reversal towards the opening level, sideways movement. While the option is in the money, the first option is closed with a profit. We are waiting for the next signal. Bitcoin. Indicators show a possible increase in volatility on the continuation of the uptrend. On vfxalert there is also confirmation signal for the second call option. The Chande Kroll Stop can be used on all crypto assets. There are more false signals on altcoin, high volatility with low liquidity. More reliable than Ethereum, Litecoin and Bitcoin signals. If the basic settings are changed, we always start with the number of periods. This may be sufficient. The price is below the opening level, the option is at a loss. Bitcoin on lower time frames is very volatile with impulses from 5 to 10 points. The trend can recover in 2 to 3 large candles. There is a reversal in the profit of the option. The rollback ends, the price is near the opening level. The uptrend is trying to continue. While the situation is unclear, even 1 point may be enough to close with a profit. In the last seconds, the option ended with a loss. We will compensate for the losses. We begin to compensate for losses and Bitcoin again. Uptrend has recovered. There is a confirmation from the indicators and vfxalert. Let's open another call option. The detrended price oscillator cannot be used as the only option opening tool. It shows good short-term corrections and pullbacks. This indicator is one of the best. But, if you do not confirm the crypto trading signals of the oscillator, trading will be similar to guessing. The uptrend continues without quick pullbacks near the opening level. The price tends to translate the option into profit. Again, the price is near the opening level. 2 consecutive options on one asset is a risk. It is often not recommended to do this. The option is in profit. To fully compensate for the loss, you need another profitable option. Let's go back to the more calm Litecoin. Volatility increases in the uptrend direction, which is confirmed by the oscillator above the zero level. Also a signal for vfxalert, another call option. Litecoin does not attract much attention from market makers and news. So it rarely has incomprehensible reversals or transitions into a long flat. Trends are well predicted by technical indicators and strategies. As it is now, the price has passed enough to keep the option in the money until the end of the expiration. The price is far from the opening level. Strong uptrend with low volatility. If there is a profit, we will fully compensate for the loss and make a profit. Profitable expiration, all losses closed. We are waiting for the next signal. Litecoin is showing good results and the beginning of the downtrend. Rebound from Kroll Stop, downward reversal on the oscillator. Open put option. If you look carefully at the chart, you will see that almost always the conditions for options do not occur simultaneously and there is a gap between the signals. Wait or still enter at the first signs of a reversal. And which indicator will be the leading signal? There is no definite answer, it all depends on the current situation. But if you are a beginner, you need to wait for all the conditions of the strategy to be fulfilled. The indicators and vfxalert gave the correct signal. The option is in profit. There is nothing to comment, we are waiting for the end of the transaction and the trading session. the option will end with a profit, a strong downtrend. The price is far from the opening level. Even if the reversal begins, the remaining time is not enough to transfer the option to a loss. The last option was closed in profit. Let's summarize. Less than 46 minutes, a profit $176 plus of 2% to deposit. It is the very good result.